Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best extac, aacute, quina de Cortar Cabello is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to maintain a stylish and well-groomed appearance without the constant need for expensive salon visits, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for at-home haircuts and trims. This versatile device empowers you to take control of your hairstyle, whether you're aiming for a simple buzz cut, intricate fades, or just tidying up necklines and sideburns, making it an indispensable addition to your personal grooming arsenal. Number 5. Hatteker IPX7 Waterproof Cordless Hair Clipper. Achieve a professional haircut in the comfort of your home. This cordless clipper offers precision and ease of use for all your grooming needs. Enjoy the convenience of a waterproof design, making cleanup a breeze. You can even use it in the shower for ultimate flexibility. Its versatile T-blade is perfect for detailed trimming, whether it's your hair or beard. Get those sharp lines and clean fades effortlessly. Stay powered up with easy USB recharging. A single charge provides long-lasting performance, so you're always ready to groom. Experience true freedom with its cordless operation. Move around easily without any restrictions for a comfortable grooming session. This is your ultimate grooming companion, designed for both hair and beard. It simplifies your routine, delivering salon-quality results every time. What we like. This one offers complete waterproof convenience for easy cleaning and use in the shower. Its precision T-blade is perfect for detailed work and fades. If you prioritize ease of maintenance and professional level detailing, this is a great choice. What people say. The machine is very quiet and doesn't vibrate much, making it comfortable to use. It comes with several accessories, including different comb sizes, a cleaning brush, and lubricating oil, which are useful for maintenance and customization. The battery life is excellent, lasting for multiple haircuts on a single charge, and it also supports charging while in use. Number 4. Men's Cordless Hair Clippers and Beard Trimmer Set. Achieve a professional haircut at home with this all-in-one grooming set. It's designed for precision and ease of use, making styling simple. Effortlessly groom your beard with the included trimmer. Get that perfectly sculpted look with adjustable settings for any style. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation for unrestricted movement. Its powerful battery ensures a long-lasting performance for multiple grooming sessions. The clear LED display provides accurate control over cutting length. Monitor battery life and settings at a glance for a flawless finish every time. Looking for a great Father's Day gift? This comprehensive barber kit is the ideal present for any man who values a sharp, well-groomed appearance. This professional barber kit has everything you need for haircuts and beard styling. It's your go-to tool for maintaining your look with confidence. What we like. Featuring a clear LED display for battery life and speed, this set also includes a dedicated beard trimmer for a complete grooming solution. If you're looking for a versatile all-in-one kit with modern features, this is ideal for you. What people say. It is a very good product, it cuts very well and is easy to use. The battery lasts a long time, I have used it several times and it still has charge. It comes with many accessories, including different combs for different lengths. Number 3. DSP Professional Hair Clipper and Trimmer Set. Introducing the ultimate grooming solution for the modern man. This professional set offers precision and versatility for all your haircutting needs. It includes everything you need for a perfect haircut, from clippers and trimmers to a convenient travel case. Achieve barber quality results at home. Enjoy cordless freedom with its long-lasting rechargeable battery. The clear LED display keeps you informed of the power status. This stylish set comes in an attractive green finish, adding a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine. Whether you're at home or on the go, this kit is designed for convenience and performance. Experience effortless grooming like never before. What we like. This kit combines a clipper, trimmer, and shaver, making it incredibly versatile for various grooming needs. The included travel case is perfect for those who are always on the go. If you travel frequently or want a comprehensive set for different styling options, consider this one. What people say. It is very easy to use, even for beginners. The battery life is excellent, lasts for a long time on a single charge. It cuts hair smoothly and evenly, leaving no patches. Number 2. DSP 4-in-1 Pro Barber Kit. Introducing the DSP 4-in-1 Pro Barber Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional grooming at home. Achieve a complete look with ease. Experience unparalleled freedom with its cordless design. This versatile tool allows for effortless styling and trimming without any restrictions. This set includes a hair clipper, trimmer, shaver, and nose hair remover. It's everything you need for a precise and comfortable grooming experience. Achieve salon-quality results with the included scissors and fade tools. Perfect for detailed styling and creating sharp lines. Stay informed with the convenient LED display. It provides clear visibility of settings and battery life, ensuring a smooth grooming session. This comprehensive set is designed for both styling and grooming. It offers a seamless experience for all your personal care needs. What we like. This is a true all-rounder, offering not just hair cutting but also trimming, shaving, and even nose hair removal. The inclusion of fade tools makes it excellent for achieving modern hairstyles. If you want maximum utility and the ability to tackle all your grooming tasks with a single device, this is the one. What people say. The machine is very quiet and does not vibrate much, making it comfortable to use. It has a good grip and feels solid in the hand, which is important for precise cutting. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple haircuts on a single charge. Number 1. HIENA Pro T-Blade Trimmer Set. Introducing the HIENA Pro T-Blade Trimmer Set, your ultimate solution for professional barber quality haircuts at home. Experience precision and ease with this advanced grooming tool. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver for intricate styling and clean fades. The sharp T-blade is engineered for exceptional cutting performance, effortlessly trimming hair to your desired length. Achieve sharp lines and smooth finishes every time. Stay informed with the convenient LED display. It clearly shows the remaining battery life and charging status, so you're always ready for your next grooming session. Whether you have thick, fine, or curly hair, this trimmer is designed to handle it all. Achieve salon-worthy results with every use, making it a must-have for any man's grooming kit. Transform your grooming routine with this versatile set. It provides everything you need to maintain your style, ensuring you always look your best. What we like. Designed for a professional barber experience at home, this set boasts a sharp T-blade for precise cuts and fades. The LED display keeps you informed about its status. If you're aiming for that clean, barbershop look and appreciate precision tools, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The machine has a powerful motor that cuts through hair easily. It comes with several attachments for different hair lengths. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several haircuts on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.